So you want to create your own mood board online. Well, that's a lot easier than you probably imagined. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a gorgeous mood board quickly and easily with the mood board creator from Placeit. Placeit is an online design generator that makes professional branding and marketing tools accessible to everyone. It provides you with high-quality designs, logos, videos, and mockups that you can customize online and download in a matter of minutes. Let's take a look at Placeit in action with the mood board creator. Go to placeit.net, mockups, stationery, mood boards. Look through the mood board examples until you find a layout you like. Click on it to open the digital mood board creator. Now go to the top of the controls on the left and add text if you have any to add. I'm not going to add any text to this mood board, so I'm going to move on to uploading my images. Start at Upload Design 1 and click on Insert Image. You can choose to upload an image from the device you're working on or import images you have previously downloaded from your Placeit account if you have one. I'm going to use the Upload Your Device button to upload images from my computer. Resize your image as needed and then hit Crop. You may find that you have more images than image placeholders. This means you have to be selective about the images you upload. Remember, mood boards don't have to have tons of images to be effective. What's important is that your board tells a clear and compelling story. You can do this with one image just as well as you can with 10. You may need to play around with the image sequence to get the look you are happy with. To save time, I decided off camera where I'd place each image using a process of trial and error. Once you've completed your image selection, you can upload your logo if you have one. I don't have one, so I'll move to the right side of the template and add my color scheme. This will help you to pull your composition together and reinforce the mood already created by your image choice. I prefer my image borders to be white, so I'll leave the colors here at their default white and move on to select background color. You can add a graphic here if you like, but I don't want to clutter my layout, so I'll leave it as is. Once you've completed your customizations and are satisfied with your design, hit the download button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the download page where you have two options for purchasing your mood board design. You can either pay a single fee or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit's designs, mockups, logos, videos, and gaming templates. Here is the mood board I created. I also used the same images with a few different templates to show you some of the other layout options I could have chosen. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other great videos from Envato Tuts Plus, subscribe today. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.